It's great to see the development of the Arts Centre is progressing well, as you can tell from behind me. These new facilities will not only boost what the centre has to offer, but it will also drive footfall to the town centre. By improving the facilities here in Pontardawe, we are creating a venue that will support local businesses and contribute to the regeneration of the whole of Pontardawe.
Hi, I'm Mae'r. I'm the manager of Pontardawe Arts Centre. I'm currently sitting where our old seating has been ripped out and the new seating has been installed, along with the flooring and the LED lights that are currently lighting me. Really excited about welcoming our audience back for this autumn's programme.
My name's Len Kibbons, project manager with John Weaver Contractors. Started the block and brickwork now. We hope to complete this for the next 3 weeks. Then we're going to get the roof on and the steel rafters in place to form the new roof. And then we'll be moving into the internal fit out then of the cinema. We're going to hand over the breakout space, breakout bar this week, and create a lot of business in the area, I would imagine, with a new facility.
I'm Kathleen Davis. I'm the treasurer of the Friends of Pontardawe Arts Centre. We're a group who support the Arts Centre in all its aims and objectives. We have fundraising events, apply for grants, raise the profile of the Arts Centre and make donations to the Arts Centre. This year we have donated nearly £10,000 to the Arts Centre. Their major buy has been the telescope you can see behind me. This saves the staff a lot of time and energy in changing lights between events.
This project is an example of how our culture strategy is being realised. We want to create high quality venues that both our residents and our visitors can enjoy. Whether through live music, comedy, cinema or community activities, we want the Arts Centre to be a key attraction in the community and for the community.